Hi bag lovers, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got a beauty for you today. This has just gone live on our website, our luxury pre-owned website. This is of course Louis Vuitton. It's a Louis Vuitton Belmont in Demier Eben, and it is a beaut of a bag. Really, really gorgeous. Double top handles. It's got a longer strap that is removable. And we'll just talk you through some of the features of the bag. So on the front, obviously, you've got the beautiful leather little plaque there. We've also got the Louis Vuitton cloche with the 2 keys, and we've got the padlock there as well. Try and twist it so you can see that bit as well. Okay. On the base, there are 4 studs. You could, in fact, actually this is quite nice. You've got Louis Vuitton written, I don't know if the camera will focus, but on here you've got Louis Vuitton on all 4 of those. It is a double zip pull closure. There's the other one. And then inside, it's beautiful. It's lined in a beautiful, deep, sort of burgundy microfiber. It feels beautiful. The colour makes it so luxurious. We've got a little badge there, 2 flat pockets on there, and then on this side, we've got 1 much larger pocket, and also we have got a little D-ring inside here. Can you see there? Can't quite get my fingers in to show you, but there, so you can put your keys on it, in it, or whatever. The date code is in one of these back pockets. Let's see if I can pull it out to show you. Oh, they make it so difficult, don't they? Why do they have to make it so difficult? Okay, so just there. Can you see? No, you can't see there. I'm obviously not going to be able to twist it so you can read it, but there is, oh hang on, can I? Have I got it? Almost. There is a photograph of that on the website. That's perhaps a much easier way of doing it. So, size-wise, the exact measurements are on the website. It's very bright. Exact measurements on the website, but to put it into perspective, I am 5'4", I'm a UK size 10. Okay, so that might give you some idea. And if you use the shoulder strap, okay, that's what we're looking at. Let's just put the handle in. Alright, and then if you were to go crossbody, morning, thank you very much, thank you. If you go crossbody, that is what you're looking at. As I said, I'm 5'4" and a UK size 10, so it obviously depends on sort of where you like your length to be. It does come with the dust bag. We've got a product tag and also like a fabric tag, and we've also got the care document, and there's a little bit in here about the leather. So this is obviously the Nomade leather, the strap and the handle and all the trims. So this is what it says. It says Nomade leather also has deep roots in the history of the house, having first been used in the 1860s. So they've been using this Nomade leather since the 1860s. The benefit of this is it's a little bit more durable, less likely to mark in the rain. So for the UK market, this is fantastic. So it's just a little bit more robust. So yeah, and I love that dark brown. I think it's beautiful. So condition-wise, the exterior is in good condition. The interior is very good. The hardware is very good. Let me explain what I mean. The exterior is good condition. There's just a couple of things to point out to you. On the cloche, can you see here? There's a little bit of marking on the cloche, and the strap also has a little bit of marking. Can you see here and there? And there was another bit somewhere. There was another bit very similar on the strap. Is that it? Just there. That one's not showing up so well. I've just seen, I didn't point out that, did I? So you can just, this is all fantastic. So just size it's a pre-loved bag. The interior, very good condition. There's nothing for me to point out or show you. You can just see that it's a pre-loved bag. Again, all of the hardware is in very good condition. There is nothing for me to point out. You can just see that it's a pre-loved bag. But it's, my goodness, what a pre-loved bag. Isn't it just gorgeous? I love this Demietta Ben. I think it's absolutely stunning. So, as always, there is a link to shop this on our website if you go to our comments below. Before you go, remember to like the video and then hit that bell to subscribe to the channel. But then you can go to the comments below, check this out on the website. You'll also be able to see all of our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses and wallets on our website. And remember to sign up for your discount code if you've not done that already. You get 5% off your first purchase with Armcandy, up to £999, and then you get £50 off your first purchase if it's £1,000 or over. So it's a serious chunk of money. It's well worth getting that discount code ready, and it will just take you seconds to do. All you need to do is go to the website. The link is in the comments below. But go to the website. If you scroll to the bottom of any page on the website, right at the bottom, there's like a little box. You put your email address in there, and then we will immediately send you your discount code, and it's immediate. So sort of within 60 seconds, if you haven't got your code come through, check your spam folder in case it's gone in there. But I think that's about it. We have got so much gorgeous Armcandy incoming. I mean, literally, we're kind of being swamped, which is like swamped in a good way. So yeah, and I always look over there after that because I've got them all lined up ready to start working through. So yeah, lots of Armcandy coming in. Genuinely, if you are a bag lover, then subscribe to the channel because we would hate your dream bag to come in and then you miss it because you didn't see the video. So for goodness sake, subscribe to this channel and then you'll be able to see all of the bags that are coming up. But have a lovely rest of the day, and we'll see you back here later for some more gorgeous Armcandy.